Do I have to choose?
Probably nothing.
If I have to choose one, I would go for the dog, even though I like cats more. But I just don't think that cat would be very friendly in an office environment.
I'm allergic to cats, so maybe a dog.
An office dog.
I don't like cats, so... I cut it off!
Definitely cat. I'm a hardcore cat person, even though they would probably be on the keyboard all the time and maybe that could get annoying.
Definitely an office cat. I can't wait to be old and have like 20 cats living with me, eventually being eaten by them.
Cat.
Office dog.
Office dog.
Both. A cat.
A cat, because they don't require too much, just pet it sometimes. Meow.